welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to share with you guys how I cook my adobo. In the Philippines, they have different technique and different version of how they cook their adobo. So for me, this is how I cook my adobo. These are all chicken thighs, and I'm just gonna chop it half of it and then take off the skin because I don't like the skin at all. Okay, so I already chopped the chicken. This is how it looks like. This is now cleaned and prepared, draining the excess water. And I'm going to prepare my sauce for marinade. So I already added the chopped garlic. The more garlic flavor, of course. And then we're just gonna add half a cup of soy sauce and 1 cup of vinegar. So I'm using this Filipino soy sauce and the vinegar. Half a cup of vinegar. After that, we're just gonna add in our chicken. And make sure you wash your hands. So I'm just gonna mix this up. And it will be better if you marinate it overnight, but right now I'm just gonna marinate it for 30 minutes. I'm just gonna add in pepper and a little bit of sugar. So I already added some pepper, and I'm going to add sugar. I like it a little bit sweet, so I'm just gonna drizzle maybe a little bit more of brown sugar. So we're gonna mix this and marinate it. If you really want it to be more flavorful and tasty, you have to marinate it overnight at least 30 minutes before you cook it. And pretty much that's it. I use onion at the end of my cooking when this is already cooked. So I'm already heating up the pan, and we're gonna add cooking oil. I am going to use corn oil. We're gonna add in a little bit of garlic, roasted garlic. Then this is already our adobo. It's already been marinated, and we're just gonna put it in the pan. And we're gonna add only the chicken. We are going to use the sauce in time. Okay, we're just gonna use. So this is the sauce. We're gonna add this when the meat is already tender, and then we're gonna reduce it. We can add in the rest of the sauce now. So you can see that the sauce is a little bit thicker now. Okay, now that the sauce is almost dry, has a little bit more, but I'm happy with that. We are going to add the onion. So when you add the onion, you have to turn off the fire. I like the onion a little bit fresh, and it has more flavor that way. So yeah, this is our adobo. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I have tons of video that you can watch if you haven't seen it. Follow me on my Instagram and my Twitter, and also my Facebook, and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye! So this is how I serve my adobo and steamed rice.